Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we'll be learning 4 different kinds of a question in which distance is involved. So question number 1 is, two statues are 8 kilometers 23 meters apart. A map maker incorrectly labels the distance between the statues on a map. The incorrect distance is 23 kilometer and 8 meter. What is the difference between the correct and incorrect distances? So one distance is 8 kilometer 23 meter. Another distance is 23 kilometer 8 meter. And I got to find out the difference between these two distances. So I'll be just taking 23 kilometer and 8 meter minus, because I want to find out the difference. So I'll be doing the minus. Here is the 8 kilometer and 23 meters. So 8 kilometer and 23 meter. When I'm minusing, what I'll be doing is I'll be just minusing meter from meter, kilometer from kilometer. So which makes more sense, yeah? So now in meter, 8 meter minus 23 meter. I don't think I can do that here. So what am I going to do is I am going to change that 23 kilometer into 22 kilometer so that I can pass that 1 kilometer to meter, which is going to be 1000. So if I change that 23 kilometer into 22 kilometer, then I can give that extra 1 kilometer here. Extra 1 kilometer is a 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 8 is going to be 1008 meter. Because I was unable to do it directly, I'm changing that to 22 kilometer, which is giving 1000 meter here. So 1008 meter. Now I don't need this one. Now I can do 1008 minus 23. So 1008, and then if I just take away 8, that's going to be 1000, and then 15 more, that will give me 950 meter. You can do that like in a simple way as well, like 1008 and then minus 23, yeah? Or you can get down by 3, so that is going to be 1005, 20 more, so it's going to be 9, sorry, my bad, not 950, 985 actually, isn't it? So 985 meter. So that is my meter. And now 22 kilometer minus 8 kilometer. So 22 minus 8 is going to be 14 kilometer. So my answer is going to be 14 kilometer, 985 meter. Which option are? That's matching with option number B. So yeah, option B is the correct answer of this question. Question number 2. This question is based on times, and this is really a good question, guys. So we are going to go slow, understand every part, and do it very systematic. So the question is, Sarah takes 4 hours and 45 minutes to complete a 200-page novel, while Derek takes 5 hours and 2 minutes. How much faster will Sarah be than Derek in seconds if they both read a 300-page novel? And we have got 4 answers as well. Now, there are a lot of informations given in this. So we are going to go slow and step by step. So very first thing they are saying is, how much faster will Sarah be than Derek? So how much faster is Sarah compared to Derek? So how much time Sarah is taking? 4 hours 45 minutes. And Derek is taking 5 hours 2 minutes. So we go to minus their time difference. So we can see how much faster Sarah is. So 5 hours in 2 minutes. And then we can minus the time of the Sarah, which is 4 hours and 45 minutes. While minusing 2 minutes minus 45 minutes, we can't do it. So what we are going to do it, we are going to change this 5 hours to 4 hours. So 1 extra hour I can pass it in minutes. So I can convert 1 hour into minute, which is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 2 minutes, which will change to 62 minutes. So I'm changing my 5 hours to 4 hours, and that 1 extra hour I'm changing into minute and giving it to minutes. So that's becoming 62 minutes. So now I can minus 62 minutes minus 45. If it is 60, then 60 minus 45 is 15, 2 more. So that will be 17 minutes. And here we can say like 4 minus 4, that's 0. So the difference between Sarah speed and Derek speed is 17 minutes. But they want in seconds, guys. They did mention here, they want the answer in seconds. So minutes to seconds conversion, I don't think that's very hard. So we can do like 17 multiply by 60, and that is going to be 17 6 102. And then we can put down the 0 at the end, guys. Yeah, is it good? So if anyone has a problem, you can do that way as well, like a 10 times 60, which is 600, and then 7 times 60. So 6 7 42. And then if you get that, you get the 120 as well. Yeah. So there are a lot of math tricks you can use to make it the things faster, guys. All right. So 1020 seconds difference. So if you look at that, if you're like, oh, look, the answer is there, like C. But that is not the correct answer, guys. You got to be very, very careful. That 1020 seconds difference is for 200-page book. But they want to find out what will be the time difference if both are reading 300-page difference. So 200 page and 300 page. If I want to go from there to there, I go to multiply by 1.5. If I do 300 divided by 200, I get 1.5, that ratio, yeah? So 300 divided by 200, both the zeros are cancelled. 3 over 2 is going to be 1.5. So now number of pages are 1.5 times more. So their time difference is also going to be 1.5 times more. That's a little bit of a tricky part, guys. So you are going to do 1020 times 1.5. To find out that nicely, guys, there is a decimal point. I can take the decimal point off and I can divide by 10. Now that 0 and 0 is cancelled. So I'm left with 102 times 15. Now 102 times 15, guys, are allowed to do it in this way. So you can do like 100 multiplied by 15. So 100 multiplied by 15 is 1500 plus 2 is left over. So 2 times 15, which is 30. So that is a very easier and efficient way of working out that, which is 1530 second. And now we can say that is our correct answer, guys. So that is really a cool question. Very first thing, what did we do? We find out the time difference. For that, we just take like 1 hour less and we added 60 minutes there. We got our time difference in minutes. I multiply by 60 so we can get that in seconds. But don't hurry up and choose this wrong answer, because that is the time difference for 200-page novel. We're going to find out for 300-page novel. So 300 upon 200, the ratio is 1.5. So that time difference I got to multiply by 1.5 to get my correct answer. I think a wonderful question, isn't it?